on Kargil Vijay Divas, I have few veterans with me who actually fought the war against Pakistan.
This is a very important war, and that was fought in a very difficult terrain, difficult weather. And moreover, the Pakistan was well fortified in their bunkers. Indian Army, with great, adventurous and courageous dominance, they have effected Pakistan within no time. And it was a great victory for the country, and it is a lesson for the world also. That India's armed forces are ever ready. Even without a sufficient equipment, they can defeat any difficult enemy within a very short span of time. And it is a proud for us, it is a proud for all Indians, not only the defense forces. And country is indebted. You see the young men, they have only 4 months service, maximum 2 months service. And this, because it was the young officers, and they fought, they led the war, and the whole country backed up in such a manner. Every morale of the armed forces was very high, and it was a great victory. And it is a lesson to the world also. India is prepared for all contingencies, even in a very short time.
So your opinion on Operation Sindoor?
Yeah, Operation Sindoor is a very, very important precision and ingenious weapons and the strategy. And we are ready. It is shown to the world. We are ready, and within no time, our adversaries, we can just finish off within no time. And you see, Pakistan was on its knees. Their DGM talked to our DGM, the government was on a back foot. It was a great victory, and moreover, indigenous weapon, and moreover, the armed forces morale, and the professionalism of the armed forces that was displayed, and the courage. And we have, Pakistan has suffered a very heavy casualty. All air bases were out. They were handicapped. They were sitting duck. They could not lead further. They have time and again they are putting a pressure or a requesting rather to the other countries to stop the war.
26वीं वर्षगांठ और कारगिल विजय, 140 करोड़ देशवासी कारगिल विजय जिन्होंने अपना सर्वोच्च न्यौछावर किया, उनको सैल्यूट कर रहा है देश। मैं आज द्रास में था, हजारों बच्चों ने, द्रास के कारगिल के हजारों बच्चों ने, चाहे वो लेह, लद्दाख, द्रास, कारगिल से बच्चे आए, वो भारत माता की गीत गा रहे थे, जनगण मन गा रहे थे, तिरंगा लहरा रहे थे, भारत माता की जयकार कर रहे थे। यह है उत्साहित आने वाली पीढ़ी, आने वाली जेनरेशन। प्रधानमंत्री का जो से है ना संकल्प 2047 विकसित भारत का, तो वो विकसित भारत के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, और तभी वो आज द्रास की सड़कों पर सुबह 6, साढ़े 6 बजे हजारों की संख्या में भारत माता की जयकार लगा रहे थे। यह नया भारत।
Currently, I have with me Colonel Birat Sahai, who fought the Kargil battle. Sir, what's your message on Kargil Vijay Divas?
I would just like to say that India is proud of our Indian Army, and the Indian Army is proud to fight for our Indians.
Your opinion on Operation Sindoor, sir?
Operation Sindoor was one of the best organized operations. It was apt, it went for a particular objective, and it achieved that objective. There are a lot of people asking why didn't we fight more, why didn't we do this? The objective was not a full-fledged war, because we are a progressing economy which has to reach a level. We are competing with the best of the world, that is China and US. If we continue fighting, each day's war costs in thousands of crores. We had an objective to sort out Pakistan, Pakistani nuclear hoax, Pakistani terrorists, and that is what we did. That was the aim of the war, and that was fully achieved. Rather, it was more than achieved. So it was a perfect start and a perfect culmination of a very, very short and swift war which we underwent.
So any message for the future generation joining the Indian Army?
Future generations, I would like to just say that there is a Chetwood motto in the Indian Military Academy. So the honor, welfare and safety of the nation comes first, always and every time. That of your men come next, and your own personal safety, welfare and everything else comes last. If we follow that, we'll continue to be the best army in the world, which the Indian Army has been for centuries. All the best to all of you who are the next generation, and we look forward to you to fight for this country and win for this country. Thank you.
Thank you for speaking to News 9, sir.